Welcome back, welcome back. This is the little cover music here, people, and I mean, right now we have a track today. We want to try Studio One new separation tool, AI separation tool from Studio One, It's my first time I like using it, I'm trying to extract a vocal out of this rhythm. Seeing it's an instrumental. I like the rhythm so far. It's an artist called Dirtsman. If you know the rhythm, or you can leave a comment and everything now. You know what I mean? So we're gonna play the track. If you know the tune, or you can leave if you know the rhythm, or you can leave the rhythm name. If you don't know the name, then just sit back and listen to the rhythm. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we're gonna listen to it, and then after we're gonna stop after like 15 seconds. We're gonna listen to the track. You know what I mean? So listen to the track before we jump in.
Yes, man, again, man. Wickedness increase. All the ring farmer them now. And it's a worry no mind. Watch on man. What do you mean? Make one not worry them. But it's a worry them mind. Them a wonder if I nothing man lick it take 9. It's a bother them. Cause it's a bother them brain. How what if I nothing they got blood run down the drain. It's a worry them. Rasta no me stop that.
Yeah, people, you know what I mean? So we just gonna just listen to it. We could use Serato. After we go use Serato on the next thing, but we're gonna use Serato's sample, and we're gonna use Studio One. Right now, seeing Studio One, it have the program inside of Studio One. What you have to do is right click and go to audio events, and then you go down to separate stems. Seeing, or you could use Control U. Hit Control and U. Let's see. Let's try it right now. Control and U. We do Control and U. See? Four stuff. If you want to keep the drums, if you want to keep the bass, and if you want to keep other, if you just want the vocal alone, you're gonna choose. You know what I mean? I don't know how long it's gonna take to like render the file. So we're gonna see. My computer kind of very slow. You know what I mean? It's gonna take about 2 minutes. See? Alright, let's see how long it's gonna take. Depends on the track now, So let's hit OK. Right now it's separating the tools, separating the vocal and the stuff, So it's saying 1 minute and 30 seconds. Saying right now you're going by fast. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Depends on the track. If the file is like 2 minutes, then it's gonna go by fast. If the file is like more than 3 minutes, then it might take a little longer to rip. Right now it's ripping down into the vocals and everything. We want to know if the vocal will come out clean or the drums will come out a little clean. Boom. It rip. Seeing? It rip. So we're gonna listen to let's listen to the vocal by itself. We're gonna press on number 2 is the vocal. The first one is vocal. So we're gonna just click on it and listen to the vocal by itself and see if the vocal come out a little clean. See, because I usually use Serato samples to rip my vocals, So let's see if it come out a little clean, you know what I mean? See? Listen.
Yes, man, again, man. Wickedness increase. All the ring farmer them now. And it's a worry no mind. Watch on man. What do you mean? Make one not worry them. But it's a worry them mind. Them I wonder if I don't see man that lick it.
It come out clean, but you're still hearing some hits inside of it, you know what I mean? I don't want my vocal to sound like that if I rip it, So right now, Studio One, I don't think I'm going to be using it, using this program to rip any vocal, because I hear a lot of hiss. I don't want to hear no hiss inside of the vocal. Seeing? Alright, I don't want to hear no hiss inside of the vocal, but it rip fast, Let's listen to the drum notes, Drums. Listen to the drums. Let's see if the drums come out. If you hear any vocal on the drums, then it doesn't really come out good. If you hear any drums but without the vocal, then it come out excellent. Let's listen to it. The drums come out pretty alright, but it should not be more cleaner than this, you know what I mean? So, I'm not really feeling the separation tool. Studio One only need to do better than that. I just installed 7.2. I thought all you guys would have fixed it by now. And it seem like all they ain't fix it, you know what I mean? That's the reason I want to do a video and bash all there, you know what I mean? But the program itself is nice, you know? So, yeah, we're just gonna just move right along, people, you know what I mean? So, usually when I use Serato's sample, seeing you get a better feel, you know what I mean? Seeing, or you got so many programs out there, I might find Studio One only lacking, dog, you know what I mean? Let me listen to the bass now, you know what I mean? And see if the bass come out clean without any hiss, you know? Because we need the track to come out without any hiss. But the bass come out pretty nice, you know what I mean? The drums come out pretty okay. I want to get the drums about 7 out of 10. With the vocal, oh my God, the vocal can get an F, you know what I mean? Like 5 out of 10 for the vocal, because I find again too much hiss inside of the vocal. Let's listen to the vocal here by itself again, you know what I mean? Let's see if you hear down in the track.
No mind. Watch another man. What do you mean? Make gonna worry them, but it's a worry them mind. Them I wonder if I know them and
For some people might say the vocal come out clean. Some people might say the vocal, you know, the vocal pretty alright for them. But to me, if you want to do a remix or you want to do some mixing back with this vocal, you can't get to use this vocal, you know. Saying, like it's like a hit and miss with this program. I could consider it's a hit and miss, you know. Saying, so we're gonna stop the video here, people. I mean, so it's a short video. Matter of fact, let's try Serato Sample. Seeing, we're gonna try Serato Sample. Seeing, alright? Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna pause this video for now. Hold on. Alright, back again, you know what I mean? Let's try Serato Sample and see how the vocals song, you know what I mean? So all we have to do is go to Serato Sample. If you install Serato Sample, seeing as a VST, you load it into the instrument. You go to the instrument and track, and you drag and drop it onto the blank slate, you know. Then, if you know where the vocal is, you could either drag and drop the vocal inside of the track, you know what I mean? Seeing? Seeing? Hold on. I'm gonna pause this for now, you know. Yeah, back to the video. Alright. What we have to do is drag the file, you know what I mean, instead of loading the track. Seeing? The same track. So what you have to do now is listen to the track now, you know what I mean. Let's press this thing on the sample and we're gonna just test the vocal, because the Serato, the AI Presonus isn't really working too well, you know. I find the vocals coming out. If the vocal coming out a little clean inside a Serato Sample, then I say, yeah, the Serato Sample vocal a little better. See, this one is the mic, this is the piano, this is the guitar, and this is the drums, you know. All we have to do is, inside a sample, I don't know if you guys know it, you know what I mean. See, you press it, and we just need the vocal alone, you know what I mean. So we listen to the vocal. Hold on, let's load up first. The tracks have to load up, because in them you press it, the color scheme, it doesn't go away now, you know. So we gotta press it, and then after we wait until the track when you see the color coming back, then you know it is ready to play. So let's play now, because we're doing a rip now. Listen to the track inside of Serato. See, listen.
yes, man, again, man. Wickedness increase. Ordering farmer them now. And it's a worry no mind.
Reason why I like using Serato Sample, it give you the key of the, you know, it give you the key of the rhythm and the BPM now, you know. Seeing? Alright, and then all you have to do now, press this, press the other one, guitar, press the piano, and then after you press play back for the beginning and hear if the vocal come out a little clean than the other one. Once you hear no hiss, then I mean this working much better than the the Studio One stem. So let's listen to it. The vocal.
Yes, man, again, man. Wickedness increase.
Clean. So clean that is.
Farmer them now. And it's a worry no mind. Watch another man. What do you mean? They gonna worry them, but it's a worry them mind. Them a wonder if I not them and lick it nine. It's a bother them, cause it's a bother them brain. However, nothing they can blood run down the drain. It's a worry them. Ras.
See, no, everything sound perfect inside a Serato sample. See, the AI inside the stems for Studio One are foolishness, that people, you know what I mean? That's real foolishness, you know what I mean? So right now when I do my mix, my remix, I just drag the file onto the tempo, everything. All I do is drag the file onto the tempo of my whatever mix I want to do, you know what I mean? So Serato sample inside a Studio One, it work perfect, you know what I mean? And I believe Serato sample work inside a Ableton, and I believe it will work inside a Reaper too. So, you know, I don't know for Reaper. I never really tested inside a Reaper, but I know it work inside a Studio One. And maybe our next video I go test it and see now, you know, see if it work inside a Studio One. If it work inside a Studio One, that is a game changer, you know what I mean? So have a blessed day, people, you know what I mean? So I was gonna just show you guys this video and upload and show you guys that the Studio One is like 5 out of 10, you know what I mean? But the Serato sample definitely is the best. Serato sample is better than the one inside the Studio One, you know what I mean? So Studio One, it needs some catching up, you know what I mean? Yeah. Have a blessed day, people, you know what I mean? Yeah.